Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you currently designing your garden, patio, lawn, or yard and is currently looking for a round flange for a birdhouse post or parrot bird feeders? If you are looking for a round flange, then the round flange for 4x4 post birdhouse post is the answer for you. This is a round flange used for mounting bird feeders and birdhouses to a 4x4 wood post. This round flange is finished with black powder coat for the elegant finish that will surely withstand the elements. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 6.25 by 6.25 by 5. Weight is 4 pounds. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. This item is made from heavy steel construction. Rest assured that you will have a high-quality flange to add elegance to your chosen location. There is really no reason not to get this ingenious flange for your bird feeder or birdhouse. Buy the round flange for 4x4 post birdhouse post today at a very affordable price, and see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.